Assessment of maintenance requirements for SEJs and glued joints. Hello dear. A letter has been issued on by Western Railway about assessment of maintenance requirements for SEJs and glued joints on date 7th March 2025, which is self-explanatory. Even we will discuss on this crucial topic to understand it. This topic is especially important for ensuring safe and smooth train operations and is highly relevant for practical field knowledge. If you feel anywhere that discussion differ from soul of this letter, consult your senior official to explain better before reaching any decision. It has been observed during track recording car, TRC, runs that UML peaks, which are unusual movement levels, are frequently recorded at glued joints and SEJs. In addition, crews have reported jerk messages at these locations, indicating disturbances in ride quality. Now, although regular maintenance is always performed at these joints, it is equally important to assess the rate at which these joints deteriorate, even if no structural defect is visible. This proactive assessment helps prevent a drop in ride quality before it actually happens. So, early intervention is critical. Steps to be taken during installation of new glued joint SEJ. Let us go through the detailed steps that should be followed whenever a new SEJ or glued joint is installed in a section. 1. Sleeper condition assessment. Examine the condition of at least 15 PSC sleepers on either side of the joint. Replace any unserviceable or broken sleepers. Ensure squaring of sleepers and adjust the spacing as needed. 2. Fittings inspection. Check all fittings. Replace any unserviceable ones. Any missing fittings must be recouped. Crushed or missing rubber pads should be replaced. 3. ERC condition. Any jammed ERC, elastic rail clip, must be replaced with a new one. 4. Ballast cushion check. Ensure that a minimum 150 mm deep clean cushion is available below the sleepers. If there is rounded or white ballast, it must be recouped with clean ballast before tamping. 5. Low cess repairs. Repair or make up any low cess areas near the joint. 6. Minor realignment. If minor shifting of location is feasible, it may be carried out for better alignment. Post-installation tamping and monitoring. Once these steps are completed, the SEJ or glued joint should be tamped using an on-track tamper with DGS, Directed General System. Tamping must be done within 3 days of laying the joint. Post-tamping parameters must be recorded in the prescribed format. Further, these joints must be monitored fortnightly. Criteria for retamping. The SEJ glued joint must be retamped when any of the following conditions are met. A. The parameter reaches PML limit for a speed band of 160 km per hour during a TRC run. B. In between TRC run, if unevenness and alignment measurements reach 50% of NBML, narrow band maintenance limit, which is unevenness 20 mm at 18 meters chord, alignment 15 mm at 15 meters chord, and 50% value with respect to long chord. Unevenness 10 mm at 18 meters. Alignment 7.5 mm at 15 meters. C. Retamping may also be done based on field officer's decision after duly recording the reason. Documentation and submission. All data must be properly maintained in the prescribed format. This format is to be submitted to the office every quarter. This helps in ascertaining the frequency of maintenance required for glued joints and SEJs. Conclusion. So, to summarize, we must not wait for visible defects to start our maintenance. Regular assessments based on ride quality, track parameters, and engineering judgment are essential. Proper documentation and scheduled inspections ensure long-term track health and passenger safety. So, finally keep these points in mind for future field application. These practices uphold the standards of safety and reliability that Indian Railways is known for. Thanks for being with us.